So, in a secluded island, and I know it's very good for my mental health. Island got a beach over there. You can drink coconut. So I really
Sorang-sorang je dekat the
Betul,
island. That's
betul.
going to be good for your mental health. Get
Correct,
rid of
yeah.
all of the people. Okay.
Hey, this survival, okay? Ni pasal
Okay,
survival.
okay,
Tapi
survival.
janganlah pergi seorang, sedih lah. Bawa lah kawan-kawan
Ajaklah
yang
member. Ajak member-member badminton. At least you boleh improve dekat island tu.
sempat lagi tu. Sabar je lah. But yeah, I think that's the...
That's the main
Yeah.
strategy.
Hmm.
What's your transportation plan untuk sampai dekat island ni?
Oh, banyak
Nak
jalan.
sampai mana?
I dah ada
Swim.
sampan lah. I dah
Sampan
beli.
tu dah ada.
Dah ada
Oh, tinggal
punya boat
parking lah
engine.
kat
ha. Apa-apa jadi, I'm ready.
Okay, di antara banyak-banyak expected responses, itu memang sedikit jauh lah. So, kalau okay, that's your final answer?
Yes, my final answer.
Oh, cantik lah.
Yeah.
So, what do you think your success rate of surviving a zombie apocalypse would be in percentages?
I think if I get to the island, it's 90%. But getting to the island will be a tough part.